Welcome back to Spanish with English. We're excited to have you here for episode 11, where we'll learn present tense verbs in an easy way.
Absolutely. Present tense verbs are crucial for everyday conversation. So, let's dive right in.
In Spanish, many verbs end in AR. A prime example is hablar, which means to speak.
Exactly. So if we'll break it down, yo hablo means I speak.
And tú hablas means you speak. Now, let's look at another verb, estudiar, which means to study.
Right. So, yo estudio translates to I study. It's important to note that the verb changes with the person.
That's a great point. But don't worry, you don't need to memorize everything right now.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Yo hablo.
And now, yo estudio.
Great job. Now you can talk about what you do daily.
In our next episode, we'll tackle the difference between ser and estar.
Welcome back to episode 12. Today's topic is ser and estar, explained simply.
Ser and estar both mean to be, but they are used differently. For example, soy estudiante means I am a student.
And estoy cansado means I am tired. Notice how ser is for permanent things, while estar is for temporary states.
Exactly. So remember, ser equals permanent, and estar equals temporary.
Let's practice with some sentences. Repeat after me. Soy estudiante.
Now, estoy bien.
This difference is very important in Spanish, and understanding it will help you greatly.
In the next episode, we'll discuss shopping and prices.
Welcome to episode 13 of Spanish with English. Today, we'll learn some useful shopping words.
Let's start with precio, which means price.
Caro means expensive, and barato means cheap.
To ask the price, you can say cuánto cuesta, which means how much does it cost.
And an example would be ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Which means how much is this?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Cuánto cuesta.
And now, es barato.
And finally, es caro. Great job.
These phrases will help you shop confidently. In our next episode, we'll cover travel Spanish.
Welcome back. Today, we'll learn Spanish for travel.
Let's start with some important travel words. Aeropuerto means airport. Hotel is hotel. And pasaporte means passport.
Habitación means room.
A useful sentence is tengo una reserva, which means I have a reservation.
And another one is necesito ayuda, meaning I need help.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hotel.
Now, pasaporte.
Necesito ayuda. Awesome.
These phrases are incredibly useful when traveling. In the next episode, we'll discuss asking for directions.
Welcome to episode 15 of Spanish with English. Today, we're focusing on direction words.
Let's start with donde, which means where.
Aquí means here. Allí means there. Cerca means near. And lejos means far.
To ask for directions, you can say, ¿Dónde está el baño? Which means, where is the bathroom?
And an example answer would be, está aquí, meaning it is here.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está?
And now, aquí.
Finally, allí.
Now you can ask for and understand directions. You're becoming more confident in Spanish.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.